Hello everybody, I hope you will be fine. And today we will learn what is electrolysis. Electrolysis means basically breakdown. Like for example, if we have an ionic compound like NaCl or BaCl, when we put them in water and we make a solution of them, or when we melt them, they break down into their ions like Na positive and Cl negative ions. Similarly, this barium will be converted into Ba2 positive plus 2Cl negative ions. So electrolysis means the breakdown of the ionic compound either when we dissolve it in the water or when we melt it. So how we use this electrolysis in the electrochemistry for our benefit. For example, just consider like we have this one beaker and then we have two electrodes in it, like this one electrode and this another electrode, and these electrodes are usually made up of metals, okay, and they are connected to a battery. And when we connect them to a battery, they one get negative charge, the one which is attached to the negative part of the battery, negative terminal, it gets negative charge, and the other which has which is connected to the positive terminal, it will get positive charge. So when we add molten NaCl, for example, into this beaker, what will happen? Because this electrode has negative charge, this sodium will move towards this electrode and the chlorine will move towards this electrode, and sodium will accumulate here and we will get sodium metal on this electrode. We can separate that, and even on industrial scale we prepare sodium metal by this process of electrolysis and we use this sodium metal for commercial purposes. And this Cl gas, it will convert into Cl2 and it will evolve from here. So by providing electricity and by doing the electrolysis of a material NaCl, we will get two products. Like at this electrode which is negative, we call it cathode. At cathode, Na positive will get one electron and it will convert into Na. And because the addition of the electron is also called reduction, so reduction will happen at cathode. And at anode, which is the positive terminal, we call positive terminal anode in this cell, Cl negative will lose its two electron, like two Cl negative ions will lose its two electrons and will form Cl2 gas. And we will also collect that Cl2 gas and we will use it for different purposes. Sodium metal is used for commercial purposes where we are in need of this metal, and Cl2 is also used like in the formation of bleaching agents, in the formation of hydrogen chloride. So by the electrolysis of a compound we get different products, and we use this phenomenon, this process on industrial scale to prepare our desired products.